Amen.
So I'm going to make sardine deal with 2 network companies. Guys, it's night time and page. I'm gonna open it. Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm going to a meeting with 2 network companies. So let's get going, guys.
So next week like this, I'll just come and pick the computer trainings.
So guys, this afternoon the next clip we are going to see is me cooking. So I'm going to make sardine fish. So let's get to cooking. Garlic, but I don't have garlic on hand, so just making do with what I have now. So I'm going to cover it with this plastic wrap, then marinate it for 30 minutes. Guys, after cooking it for 30 minutes, this is how it came out. But if you have if you are cooking a large batch, you have to cook for at least 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. This is how mine came out. It tastes so delicious. Sardine fish. Good morning guys, today is another day, and as I said in my previous video, if you guys watched it, I didn't have a tripod stand, so God has been able to bless me to be able to buy one myself from a website called Jumia. So this is how it came in the package. I'm gonna open it, guys. I wanted to open it on camera. So this is my first impression of it as well. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to open it and see how it is, or how it looked like before. So, and it came with this white at the back, giving it the order dates, order number, payment types, amounts, and phone number, and other things, other details, which is one tripod stamp kit, black silver. So I'm going to open it for you guys to see how it took me. It took 6 days before I got it. When I placed the order, it took 6 days before I could actually receive it. So in case if any of you want to order from Jumia, I don't know whether it depends on the item, but this is the first order I've placed on their website, and I'm going to open it on camera for you guys to see. So now I believe my videos are good. You know, gradually I'm buying the items I think I need to be able to improve my videos. So first one down, which is the tripod stand. This thing is too sticky. When I buy the next thing, I also include it in the vlog, hopefully. The one thing I'm planning on buying is lens, camera lens. So now the tripod is down, and this time it's super glued, which I believe is a good thing. So guys, this is how the thing. There's nothing left in it. You guys can see it. So this is how it looks in the box. So they give you indications over here. There's also 3-way pan head, 4-section leg, quick lever lock, rubber leg tip. So let's open it and see what is inside. So from the box, guys, this is the box. This was inside the box. So it comes in this type of bag. I call this sports bag. I don't know the actual name, so if any of you guys know the name of these types of bag, please leave the name in the comment section. So I'm taking it out. So this is the bag, and this is the tripod. Take this one also off from it. So guys, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This one is a minimum. You put it on table, I believe. So you have to have a stand, and then you put this on it, and then you put your camera on it. So for now, this is what I got. Subsequent years, I believe I'll get the longer one. But for now, this is what I got, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to read the directions on it so that I'll know how to operate it. So guys, this is my new tech gear or new equipment that I got from Jumia to be able to help me with my video creation games. I'm just going to go ahead and read the directions so I know how to go about it. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's almost afternoon. Today is another day. I'm going to a wedding. I got really tired from yesterday out and about, attending meetings, so my hair looked kind of crazy and I couldn't do anything, so I just decided to tie on a scarf. I'm going to a wedding after church, so this is, let me show you my outfit. Just a simple basic outfit. So guys, I'm going to wear my makeup and then head off. When I get to the church, I'll film a little bit of ceremony for you guys to see. So let's get ready and go. So guys, this is my makeup for the wedding. Very simple, neutral, basic, not doing much.
How Antina home, if how Antina set or your pa, or your pa, you don't bar, okay, set no crowd, not dating me, a ball by a ball by name, I'm not saying slow, a real Amen. Amen.
So guys, it's night time and I'm still struggling, guys, but I also managed to do some editing. So guys, it's hard for me to let the day go without me doing anything. I'm someone who can't stay idle for the whole day, so even if I'm not feeling well, I still manage to do one or two things. So guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. Be on the lookout for more vlogs. I promise to do more vlogs during my off days from the office, and I'll be including clips of me cooking. I do a lot of cooking, healthy food, junk food sometimes, and somewhere in between. I call this type of food better food. I have named it better food, not the healthiest, not junk, somewhere in between. You know, I have a way that I'm supposed to eat, and it's hard for me to find this type of food outside, so I do a lot of cooking because of my health condition. So I'll be bringing all these things in my subsequent vlog, so be on the lookout for this. Guys, share this video. Let's include the Margaret's family online. And I've also started documenting my workout journey, and I'll sure to bring that one also. So guys, I promise to do more vlogs, upload more. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, as I've already said, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.